Hello guys, that is Vivo S1 and it is completely dead and there is charging issue and we are going to fix it. So first we will open the cell phone. Look, that cannot charge and not turning on. So first we will remove the back cover safely with opener. So we are using opener that made with metal, flexible. The video is running little fast because I don't want to make long video, so that's why I play fast the video. Don't skip the video and watch. I will show you step by step how to fix the charging issue. So now we remove the CC board completely and we will inspect that with multimeter. We select DC volt and we will check the volt, there is electricity is coming or not. So we will check with multiple meter. Look, it is DC volt and now we will check. We want 5 volts here, but there is no 5 volt, only showing 2 volts. That means the charging connector is short. That's why the voltage are dropping. That's why that cell phone is not getting charged. So we are going to remove the charging connector and we will replace new one, and after we will show you the result after and before. I think that is not good idea. So the magnet is not properly catching, so we will put in the pad and we will remove the charging connector safely. And now we are going to clean the paste because there is black paste. I am gonna zoom the phone, zoom the camera, and now you can look, there is black paste. So we will remove with iron and we will use some flux and desolder wire and we will desolder the old soldering like this. And look, so it is clean. We will use new connector and we will place the another connector. Look, it is looking a little bit same and we are going to modify that because we don't have connector like this. So we will place that connector. So I cut the side legs because I want to place properly. So let's start the soldering. First we will solder the first leg because it will hold the connector. We will properly place with one leg soldering. So now it is properly placed, the angle is good. Now we are going to solder the other 3 legs and we need to solder properly. Okay, now we are going to solder the inside 5 legs that supplying the electricity and also the data transmission with PC. Look, that is soldered properly. Now we are going to place the charging connector. It will be okay. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe my channel for another solution. soon I will bring another solution for you. If you want to learn mobile repairing, so that is the right channel for you. So now I'm gonna show you the result. That is finger sensor under the display, we place properly, so be careful. Now I am going to place the I am going to connect the charging cable. That's fine. So look, it is charging now. I will show you from here. Look, it is charging. I also show you in the supply. It is taking 5.1.4 milliampere. Milliampere. So that's mean it is good now. Down then 5.1, it means not good. So up 5.1.1 or 5.1.4 means okay. Look, the phone is properly charging. Okay guys, goodbye.